Hi everyone, my name is Rohit Wag. Today I am deliver one presentation about secret key algorithm in computer networks. A secret key algorithm, also known as a symmetric key algorithm, is a cryptographic algorithm that uses a single secret key for both encryption and decryption of data. The primary function of a secret key algorithm is to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of information by securing it from unauthorized access. In in this presentation, we will explore the world of secret key algorithms and their importance in securing communication in computer networks. Importance of computer networks in computer networks. Definition and function. Secret key algorithm is a cryptographic technique used to encrypt and decrypt data using a shared secret key. Secret key algorithm plays a crucial role in computer networks for securing the data transmissions. They enable secure communication by encrypting sensitive information, preventing unauthorized parties from interrupting and understanding the data. Importance in computer networks. Secret key algorithms plays a crucial role in ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of transmitted information, preventing unauthorized access and tampering. Types of public key algorithms. There are two types of public key algorithms. One is RSA algorithm and second one is elliptic curve cryptography. In RSA algorithm, the RSA algorithm is a widely used public key encryption technique that relies on the difficulty of factoring the large prime numbers. One of the definition of public key algorithms is symmetric key algorithms use the same key for both encryption and decryption. They are fast and efficient for bulk data encryption. Examples: advanced encryption standard means AES, data encryption standards means DES, triple DES encryption key algorithms. In definition and characteristics, asymmetric key algorithms use a pair of public and private keys for encryption and decryption. They are slower than symmetric key algorithms but offer advantages like key distribution and digital signatures. Example: RSA, reversed chain element, elliptic curve cryptography, ECC. The RSA algorithm is a widely used public key encryption technique that relies on the difficulty of factoring the large prime numbers. Elliptic key cryptography. Elliptic key cryptography (ECC) is a public key encryption method that is based on the algebraic structure of elliptic curves over finite fields. Secret key algorithms. There are two types of secret key algorithms. One is symmetric key algorithm and other one is asymmetric key algorithm. In symmetric key algorithm, a thrilling algorithm where the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. And in the asymmetric key algorithm, an enigmatic algorithm where a pair of keys, public and private, are used for encryption and decryption respectively. In symmetric key algorithm, the definition of symmetric key algorithms: a symmetric key algorithms use a single shared secret key offering the fast and efficient encryption and decryption. The one of the example is popular key symmetric key algorithms include AES means advanced encryption standards and DES data encryption standards. Here are one flowchart of the secret key algorithms. In a symmetric key algorithm, the definition of a symmetric key algorithm: Asymmetric key algorithms use a pair of mathematically related keys, ensuring secure encryption and decryption. The example of asymmetric key algorithms, well-known asymmetric key algorithms include RSA, means reversed Shamir Edelman, and ECC, elliptic curve cryptography. The definition of symmetric key algorithm is also a symmetric key algorithms use a single shared key for both encryption and decryption. There are characteristics by their speed and efficiency, making them suitable for bulk data encryption. However, the distribution can be a challenge. The example is like AES, means Advanced Encryption Standard, DES, Data Encryption Standard, triple DES. The triple DES can is an enhancement of DES for improved security. The in asymmetric key algorithm use a pair of public and private keys. The public key is used for encryption and the private key is used for decryption. They offer advantages in key distribution and digital signatures, but are slower than asymmetric key algorithms. Some examples of asymmetric key algorithm is also RSA, means reverse Shamir Edelman, and ECC, elliptic curve cryptography. Comparison of secret key algorithms. Strengths and weakness. Symmetric key algorithms offer fast encryption but require secure key distribution, while asymmetric key algorithms provide key exchange but are slower in computations. One of the strengths is also fast and efficient for large scale data encryption, and the weakness is key distribution can be a challenging. A compromise key jeopardizes all communication. Factors to consider when selecting a secret key algorithm: factors such as security requirements, computational efficiency, and key management should be taken into the account. Conclusion. Recap of the key points. Secret key algorithms are essentially in maintaining confidential and integrity in computer networks, with symmetric and asymmetric key algorithms offering distinct advantages and disadvantages. The importance of secure implementations. By implementing a secure key algorithms, organizations can ensure the protection of sensitive data and mitigate the risks of unauthorized access or malicious tampering. The secret key algorithm is also known as a symmetric key algorithm because is a cryptographic algorithm that uses a single secret key for both encryption and decryption of data. The primary function of a secret key algorithm is to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of information by securing it from unauthorized access. It's all about the secret key algorithm. Thank you very much.